get you some more breaking updates coming in. Manchester Mumbai flight takes off from Kuwait airport carrying stranded Indian passengers after 20-hour delay. The Indian passengers travelling from Mumbai to Manchester were left stranded for over 12 hours after their Gulf Air flight was unexpectedly diverted to Kuwait. Okay, we're getting this update coming in for you right now, viewers, where we are learning that in a new development, the Manchester Mumbai flight has taken off from the Kuwait airport carrying stranded Indian passengers after 20-hour delay. Now, these passengers were left stranded for over 12 hours after their Gulf Air flight was unexpectedly diverted to Kuwait. So this is what we are learning right now. So as you can clearly see, the pictures are also on your screens there, where you can see that there's a emergency landing which was made. Now the stranded Indians have finally taken off. On the right hand of your screen, you can see the passengers who have been waiting for a very long time. They were waiting for around 20 hours. And now these are Indian passengers traveling from Mumbai to Manchester. They were left stranded for over 12 hours after their Gulf Air flight was unexpectedly diverted to Kuwait. We'll try to go across to my colleague in a short while from now to understand what the situation is so far. This is a breaking news development, so we are trying to understand all the details. We'll be joined by a correspondent. Now, from what we understand, there was a 20-hour ordeal that these Indians had to go through. So many of these Indians were stranded after Gulf Air's flight emergency landing in Kuwait. Now this was diverted. I repeat, it was diverted due to a technical reason. Okay, let's go straight across to my colleague. Let's go across to my colleague. The embassy has also helped Samiksha. The embassy has also helped Samiksha after the emergency landing. And now we've come to know that these Indians who were stranded for so long have finally taken off. Go ahead, Samiksha. Tell us the entire story.
Well, that's right, Shivangi. The Gulf Air flight had to make an emergency landing at Kuwait airport, after which the flight was stuck at Kuwait airport for almost 20 hours. Fortunately, it's now headed to its destination to Manchester. But taking you through that statement that's been issued by the Indian Embassy in Kuwait, which has stepped in. It was monitoring the situation closely. Now, the statement by the Indian Embassy says, intervening in the situation, a team from the Indian Embassy in Kuwait reached the airport to assist the stranded passengers. The embassy team coordinated with the airline and said the flyers were accommodated in 2 airport lounges. Efforts have been made to accommodate the passengers in airport hotel, which is currently unavailable due to ongoing GCG summit. So yes, while the flight has taken off for Manchester, Shivangi, it's important to note here the plight of the Indian passengers, which has come to light. They've spoken about not being attended to by the airport officials. They've said that they were not provided any assistance. They were not given food by the airport authorities. The passengers even alleged that they were harassed, and only flyers from the European Union, the UK and the US were given accommodation by the airline and were allowed to exit due to availability of transit visas on arrival. So yes, the Gulf Air flight that had to make an emergency landing at Kuwait airport, it was stuck there for almost 20 hours. It was around 4:30 a.m. this morning when the flight took off for its destination, which is Manchester, after there was a technical glitch due to which the flight had to make an emergency landing. Shivangi.
All right, thank you, Samiksha, for getting us all those details. We will be, of course, tracking the story very closely here on Republic TV. For now, we have to move ahead and get to the other top updates that are coming in.